I was washing these. We collected them from the river. I wanted to sell them, make money. And then I heard a big bang! The spin cycle threw the barrel so hard. Here's the part that I busted. When I found out it was just this plastic ring, I thought I can glue that back together with baking soda and crazy glue. And as you'll see, I did. Got the ring back together, all those puzzle pieces. Good enough. It turns out this white disc is primarily a water diversion disc, redirecting water back into the main tub. The result came out great. Look at that top edge there. The bad news is something else got damaged because the washing machine made a great noise when I fired it back up. And we just bought this used one off the marketplace. Did I mention I wanted to get money from golf balls?